If you own a device within the Google Pixel 10 series and you need to access recovery mode, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be showing you the button combination method for this process, but please drop down into the comment section below to let me know if you would like to see the ADB method demonstrated here on the channel, since that can be useful if you end up having issues with your hardware buttons. The first thing you'll need to do before you can access recovery mode on the Pixel 10 Pro is to boot it into Fastboot Mode. And we can do this by first bringing up the power menu and then starting the reboot process. Now, as soon as you see that screen go black, we immediately begin pressing and holding the volume down button. And we continue holding that button down until you see this menu appear. From here, we're going to use the volume button and we're going to press volume down until you see recovery mode appear here. And then we're going to press the power button to select that option. You will see the phone reboot again, except this time it's going to take you to a splash screen for recovery menu. So this is not to be confused by the actual recovery mode menu, since we need to bypass this splash screen in order to get there. And we do that by pressing and holding the power button, and then almost immediately after that, we press the volume up button. Now it may take you a time or two before you get the timing just right, but eventually you'll time it and you will see it switch to a menu like this. Similarly to the other special boot modes on Android, you cannot interact with this menu using the touchscreen, at least not the stock recovery mode menu as of recording this video. So instead, you'll need to use the volume button to change which option you see selected, and then you'll press the power button to select whatever option is currently highlighted. We can leave this special boot mode within Android on the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL by making sure the Reboot System Now option is highlighted, and then pressing the power button so that the phone will reboot and take you back into the Android operating system. There are a lot of things that you can do within recovery mode that you cannot do from any other spot within Android. And while some may think this is a way to recover your own personal data, it's normally used to factory data reset the phone as a whole. So you can recover the Android file system to a working version, which is what you'll need if you end up unexpectedly seeing your phone in a boot loop cycle. Now, as always, please let me know if you ran into any issues following this guide. And again, let me know if you would like to see how to access recovery mode with a simple ADB command. Just please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel too for more Google Pixel 10 tips like this.